Welcome to lesson 2 of Introduction to Chemistry. In lesson 1, we had learned the branches of chemistry and the significance of the branches of chemistry. In this lesson, we are going to look at SLOS 1.1.3, which is the classification of matter with the help of flowchart. So, boys, what is matter? Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. So we have learned this definition many times, but what it means is anything that is around us, like you all are sitting on chair, we all have mobile phones, our body, everything around us, okay, whatever objects you can see and whatever objects you can feel, like air, you can feel air, okay. So all these things, they occupy some space. In ये सब कुछ वॉल्यूम रखते हैं, okay. They occupy some space and they also have some mass. उनका कुछ weight है. So all these things that occupy space and that have mass is considered as matter. So matter की classification क्या है? Matter is divided into two things, okay. Matter is divided into pure substances and mixtures. Matter दो टाइप का होता है, एक तो प्योर सब्सटेंसेस होते हैं और दूसरा मिक्सचर्स होते हैं. प्योर सब्सटेंसेस जो हैं दे आर फर्दर डिवाइडेड इनटू टू थिंग्स, टू सब्सटेंसेस. वन इज एलिमेंट एंड द अदर वन इज कंपाउंड, ओके. सो प्योर सब्सटेंसेस may be elements or they may be compounds. Mixtures may be homogeneous or heterogeneous. When we are going to start the chapter solutions, there we are going to learn what do you mean by homogeneous and heterogeneous. But right now you just have to learn this flowchart that matter is divided into pure substances and mixtures. Pure substances are further divided into elements and compounds. Elements and compounds we are going to learn in this chapter. We are going to learn elements and compounds in detail and their definition as well, okay. Whereas this mixture part we are going to learn in the upcoming chapter, which is solutions, okay. Next SLO that we have is 1.1.4, which is define an element, atom, atomic mass, atomic number, atomic mass unit and isotopes. So we are going to define these things one by one. The first definition that we have is of atom. Atom is the most important term in chemistry. जब भी आप chemistry पढ़ोगे, you are going to learn about atoms, okay? You are going to learn about atoms, you are going to learn about elements. So these are the most important terms that we use in chemistry. What is an atom? Atom is the smallest unit of an element. किसी भी element का सबसे smallest जो unit होता है, that is element, okay? हमारा जो हाउस है दैट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ सेम टाइप ऑफ ब्रिक्स. हमारे हाउस की जितनी भी वॉल्स हैं वो सब एक ही साइज़ के ब्रिक्स से बनी है, इजंट इट. सो इस तरीके से एलिमेंट भी जो है इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट विच इज़ कॉल्ड एटम. ऑल दीज एटम्स इन दैट एलिमेंट मस्ट बी सेम. एक एलिमेंट एक टाइप के एटम से ही बनता है हमेशा, ओके. एटम्स there we have 119 elements in the periodic table. If you have seen the periodic table, and if you have not seen the periodic table, I'm going to show you that in the other slide. So we have 119 elements in the periodic table which are represented by their atoms. सारे एलिमेंट अपने एटम से रिप्रेजेंट होते हैं, ठीक है. हर एटम का एक सिंबल होता है और हर एटम की खास प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स मेक अप दैट एटम, ओके. एंड एवरी एलिमेंट हैज़ अ पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ एटम्स इन इट. सोडियम के एटम्स सिर्फ सोडियम के एटम्स होंगे, उसमें किसी और चीज़ के एटम्स नहीं होंगे, ठीक है. If you take carbon, a piece of carbon, it will have only carbon atoms and all the carbon atoms will be same. So atom की this is the most important property of an element, that atoms must be same, okay. So atoms are the building blocks of an element. The next thing is atom has fixed number of neutron, proton and in their nucleus. So this is very important. एक ही टाइप का जो एटम होगा it should have same number of neutrons and protons. Let's say we have carbon, so the number of protons in carbon is 6 and the neutron number is also 6. So कार्बन के जितने भी एटम्स होंगे अर्थ पे या यूनिवर्स में they will always have 6 neutrons and 6 protons. So same element के जो एटम होंगे their neutrons and protons will always be same. Let's look at the structure of an atom. What do you have in an atom? An atom has three types of particles in it: the electrons, protons and neutrons, okay. The electrons revolve around the nucleus, okay. The protons are found in the center of the atom and they have positive charge, whereas electrons have negative charge, protons have positive charge. And the yellow ones that you see, they are neutrons, okay, and neutrons don't have any charge, and neutrons are also found with protons, so they are found concentrated within the center में होते हैं, और they like concentrated in the center में present होते हैं. Then that center, that concentrated center that you have in the center of the atom is called the nucleus. So nucleus is the central part of any atom, and the nucleus always has two type of particles, the protons which are positively charged and the neutrons which are neutral, okay. Whereas your electrons are found in the shells or energy levels. आपके जो electrons है, they always revolve within certain orbits, within certain path, and that path is called shell or energy level. What is an element? Element is a substance that is made up of same type of atoms. As I said, एलिमेंट जो होता है वो सेम टाइप के एटम से बनता है, और एलिमेंट को डीकम्पोज नहीं कर सकते. डीकम्पोजिशन मीन्स ब्रेक डाउन हम नहीं कर सकते. अगर हम एलिमेंट को ब्रेक डाउन करेंगे तो हम उसको नहीं कर पाएंगे, बिकॉज एलिमेंट का जो स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट है वो एटम होगा, और एटम को हम फर्दर ब्रेक डाउन नहीं कर सकते. मतलब हम उसको बाय केमिकल मीन्स वी कैन नॉट स्प्लिट फर्दर, ओके. So element is the substance that has same type of atoms, and you cannot decompose, you cannot split the element into simpler substances. Every element is represented by a symbol. हर element का एक particular symbol होता है. जैसे as I said, कार्बन का symbol C होता है, ऑक्सीजन का symbol O होता है, नाइट्रोजन का symbol capital N होता है. So every element has a particular symbol, and every element has a unique property which is called valency. What is valency? एक एलिमेंट दूसरे एलिमेंट से बॉन्डिंग कर सकता है, ओके. दैट बॉन्डिंग कैपेसिटी इज कॉल्ड वैलेंसी. एक एलिमेंट दूसरे एलिमेंट से कितने अच्छे से बॉन्ड कर सकता है, कितना स्ट्रांगली बॉन्ड कर सकता है, दैट कैपेसिटी इज कॉल्ड द वैलेंसी ऑफ दैट एलिमेंट, ओके. सो वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट वैलेंसी इन द फ्यूचर स्लाइड्स. Okay, let's look at the periodic table, which is very simple. We have seen this periodic table before also. This is given in your book. You can open your book and see this periodic table. Your periodic table contains 119 elements, okay, and every element has a symbol. हर element का एक particular symbol है. As you can see, this is Be, beryllium. This is Be, beryllium. Mg, magnesium. If you come here, this is carbon. Ne, neon. Okay, Br, bromine. So every element is represented by a symbol, and also every element has an atomic number, which is the smaller number. जो छोटा number होता है element का, that is atomic number, and the large number which is written over here, 35.453. This larger number or greater number is called mass number, or atomic mass भी कहते हैं इसको, ठीक है. So every element has three things: the symbol, atomic number which is a smaller number, and the greater number which is the mass number, okay. So always remember, every element has three properties: the symbol, the atomic number, and the mass number, okay. Let's look at the atomic number. What is atomic number? Atomic number is the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. Atom के अंदर कितने protons हैं, that proton number is called atomic number of the element, ठीक है. हर element के अंदर फिक्स नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स होते हैं. जैसे कार्बन के अंदर 6 प्रोटॉन्स होते हैं, ऑक्सीजन के अंदर 8 प्रोटॉन्स होते हैं. सो दैट नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन इज कॉल्ड एटॉमिक नंबर, ठीक है. लेट्स लुक एट दिस डायग्राम. हाउ मेनी प्रोटॉन्स डू यू सी इन दिस? वी सी 1, 2 and 3 protons. So the atomic number of this atom is 3, and you know that the atomic number 3 belongs to the element lithium. एलिमेंट जो लिथियम है उसके अंदर 3 प्रोटॉन्स होते हैं. सो जो एटम आपको शो किया है मैंने, दिस एटम बिलोंग्स टू लिथियम बिकॉज द एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ लिथियम इज 3. व्हाट इज मास नंबर और एटॉमिक मास? एटॉमिक मास इज द सम ऑफ प्रोटॉन एंड न्यूट्रॉन. प्रोटॉन और न्यूट्रॉन को मिला के जो नंबर बनता है, दैट नंबर इज कॉल्ड द एटॉमिक मास और मास नंबर, ओके. इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय ए. इसको हम ए से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. लेट्स लुक एट द सेम डायग्राम अगेन. How many proton and neutron together do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 particles in the nucleus. Protons and neutrons को मिला के 7. Okay. So 7 is the atomic mass of this atom that I have shown you here. And you know that 7 atomic mass belongs to lithium. So lithium का atomic number 3 होता है and the mass number is 7. Okay? Atomic mass unit. We have no unit for atomic mass as the atomic mass is a whole number, so it has no units. Okay, but we write an abbreviation which is AMU. Atomic mass के आगे हमेशा हम एक small abbreviation लिखते हैं which is AMU, which stands for atomic mass unit. Isotopes. What are isotopes? Isotopes are the same atoms of the same element. एक ही element के atoms that have same atomic number but different mass number, जिनका atomic number same हो और mass number different हो. तो same element के अंदर एक ही element के ऐसे atoms जिसका atomic number same हो लेकिन mass number different हो. Okay? Their mass is different because of different number of neutrons. Mass number क्यों different होता है? Mass number इसलिए different होता है क्योंकि उनके ना number of neutrons different होते हैं, ठीक है. लेकिन proton number क्या होते हैं? Same होते हैं, इसलिए atomic number same रहता है और mass number different हो जाता है. Let's look at the example. We have two isotopes for oxygen. हर element के दो या दो से ज़्यादा isotope हो सकते हैं, ठीक है. Let's we have oxygen right now. Oxygen has two isotopes. This is oxygen 16 and this is oxygen 18. So एक का जो mass है वो 16 है और दूसरे का जो mass number है वो कितना है? 18. Okay, लेकिन you can see the protons are same. Protons are 8 in both of them. This has 8 protons, this also has 8 protons. So the atomic number for both these isotopes is 8. क्योंकि प्रोटॉन नंबर क्या होता है? एटॉमिक नंबर होता है. जितने भी प्रोटॉन दैट इज इक्वल टू एटॉमिक नंबर. सो 8 प्रोटॉन इन दोनों के अंदर है. सो द एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ बोथ दीज आइसोटोप्स इज 8 but the mass number is different because we have 8 neutrons in this case and we have 10 neutrons in this case. So अगर मैं mass number find out करूँ इस isotopes का तो 8 plus 8 it is equal to 16. So the mass number of this isotope is 16 and 8 plus 10 18. So the mass of this isotope is 18. Okay, so I think this is quite clear to you how isotopes have same atomic numbers but different mass numbers. Okay, what is your task? Boys, your task is to copy down all the points that I have shown you in this video into your copies. Okay, so जितनी भी चीज़ें आपको दिखाई गई हैं, definitions, diagrams, examples, you have to copy down all those things except the periodic table, क्योंकि आप periodic table draw नहीं कर सकते. So leave that periodic table. Except that periodic table, you have to copy down all the things into your copies. If you have any problem, you can ask me in the comment box. If you have watched this video, write down watched so that I can mark your attendance. Thank you so much.